Okay, so I'm just about to re-maiden the Synergy E7se. I'll take this flight just nice and easy. Nice auto. It was a great auto though.
Bounce, baby, bounce! I can see a belt all lashed up in there. With the seat off that, the belt.
Oh, yeah, baby.
And that little blade don't turn now. Must have done that
How many times?
just as it got near the ground and stopped.
How many times it's wrapped around?
Nicely done.
Yeah, mate. Excellent. Off the chain.
No, that's a walk of awesomeness. Yeah. That's a lot of belts to be wrapped up.
Go, good on him.
Yeah, pull the motor in. Yeah, she's free. Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Yeah, nothing wrong with that.
Take it up again.
Well, I've got a spare belt.
Yeah, just like you.
Yeah. Need that,
I definitely don't need that.
Man.
Not with your school,
Didn't do anything. Boo, Dad. That's all you do, wait for your timer, wasn't it?
Yeah. Come on, hurry up, timer. Oh, shit. don't even know what I'm doing.
Danny
Yeah, I was wondering why you're all the
put
way
his
over there.
Chronos compass in.
Yeah.
So in
Oh, what a nice landing that is.
You make my attempt amateur hour, don't you?
And mine.
There's what happened when your blade links come off, like you said. See that one hanging up?
Hey?
The screw come out.
Oh, yeah.
Screw pulled out of your wash plate.
I don't know about the other one.
Yeah, broken. Yeah, screw come out of the wash plate, look. Screw it out.
Nice going, Danny.
How did I land on this side of the tree?
And not hit the tree like it
Well, you're coming back, I
Oh,
guess.
I was coming back.
Yeah. But you gave up, didn't you? Or just had it up?
Yeah,
right and
yeah,
just gave up?
yeah, hit
That
top.
is awesome.
Well, to flip it up without seeing
Yeah.
it,
The boys are going to hate the fact that you can't even crash.
the skid's broken. Sounded fairly bad when it hit.
Because it hit.
Oh,
this
that's the
thing.
sound of the...
There's another one here.
Okay. Just so we can't be accused of not...
What do you got to say for yourself, matey?
Compass is strong.
Awesome.
Sound how expensive the crash is.
No,
and
that's
that
right.
sounded expensive.
That's right.
Stuntmaster!
I'm stacked it. Totally stacked it.
Bent tail shaft.
It's a bit stiff.
Bent arm, yeah. It's a, I think it's a
Damaged skids.
It doesn't look that bad, but it's a re-kit.
What are you talking about?
I'll give you $70 for all those bits.
You don't know what you're talking about. You only need one blade?
Tightening up. Yeah,
Yep.
if it's got the thread,
Oh, who put them in?
it's a lock.
Who built this? Who put them in?
You didn't Loctite them.
You did the same on Brent's, if I remember.
No, there's definitely Loctite on it.
Brian, what do you reckon? Just a bit of gaffer tape?
Oh no, I'll glue that for sure.
Well, I've found from my experiences,
bit of a
duct
poxy.
tape works alright for a while.
For a short while.
For a short while.